How to prepare a Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich so it's really, really good. Take the sandwich, open the sandwich. Disassemble the sandwich. Put the bun, in this case the croissant, into yonder toaster. And take a paper towel with it. Take the egg and sausage, fold them in a wet towel, leaving behind the cheese. Put the sausage and egg in the microwave. I give it 1 minute on my microwave. Might take more on yours. This sucker's old and it's really powerful. All right. In the meantime, take the cheese and run it under a little bit of water like that. That just sort of takes the freeze out of it. Lay that over there. And wait for the toast to pop up and the minute to be over. Alright, the purpose of the wet paper towel is to keep the sausage from drying out in the microwave. So unpack that, lift off the cheese, lift off the egg, put your cheese in here, put your egg on top. At this point you can add whatever seasoning you like. I like a little bit of salt. I like a little bit of pepper. Then I take maple syrup and put it on the bun. Oh, that's good. Reassemble the sandwich. And that, folks, that's good eating. Nice Jimmy Dean sandwich, all warmed up with a little bit of maple syrup. Yep, time for breakfast. Got a cup of coffee. Here we go.